Okay, now here we have another question of probability. This question is from November 2009, paper 1, question 21. According to the question, in a group of 8 students, there are 5 boys and 3 girls. So we have 5 boys and 3 girls. Boys are 5 and girls are 3. So if we add it, total we have 8 students. Okay, so it is given at the start of the question also, like in a group of 8 students. 2 students are chosen at random. The tree diagram shows the possible outcomes and their probabilities. So here they have not mentioned that this is a case of with replacement or without replacement, but they have already filled the tree diagram. Only 2 parts are blank and we will fill those parts. Now if we check this, so after the first boy, if we have the second boy, so they have reduced numerator as well as denominator. So it means here we have without replacement case. Now if the first student is girl, and now when we select the second student as boy, so what will be the probability? So if the first student is girl, so it means up till now we have not taken any boy from the group of the student. So if the second student is boy, so altogether we have 5 boys in the group, but as we have taken one girl from the group, so the total remaining students are 7. So it will be 5 upon 7. Now if the first student is girl and the second student is again a girl, then we will reduce both numerator and denominator, because now when we pick the select the one girl from the group, how many girls are remaining? 2. And how many total students are remaining? 7. Okay, so we have completed the tree diagram. Now according to the next part, here they are saying express each answer as a fraction in its lowest term. Find the probability that 2 boys are chosen. So it means probability of boys, probability of boy and boy. So the probability of boy is, first boy is 5 upon 8 and the probability of second boy is 4 upon 7. 5 upon 8 and 4 upon 7. Now if we simplify this, 4 times 2 is 8. Now it is 5 upon 14. So the answer of this part is 5 upon 14. Okay. Next part is at least one boy is chosen. So for at least one boy is chosen means that it can be boy and girl, or it can be girl and boy, or it can be boy and boy. So all these are possible outcomes in a case of at least one boy. So at least one boy means minimum one and more than one also. So here we have boy and girl, girl and boy. So in these two cases we have at least one boy. Okay, and then boy and boy. So here we have more than one boy also. Okay, so if we write all the probabilities here and simplify it, we will get the answer. Now one more thing we can do here. Now if we check the tree diagram, see here, as we have written all the conditions like boy boy, boy girl, girl boy, only one condition is left, that is girl and girl. Okay, because at least one boy means we cannot take an option in which we have girl and girl, because in girl and girl we are not having any boy. So if we subtract the probability of girl and girl from 1, we will get all the remaining probabilities. Okay, again, if we subtract the probability of girl and girl from 1, we will get all the remaining probabilities, because the total probability is always equal to 1. Now the probability of girl and girl is 3 upon 8 multiplied by 2 upon 7. If you multiply these two probabilities and subtract it from 1, like 1 minus probability of girl and girl. So it is 1 minus 3 upon 8 multiplied by 2 upon 7. Now when we simplify this, it's 2 4 times 8. So 1 minus 3 upon 4 times 7 is 28. Now when we take an LCM, it is 28. So 28 minus 3. So the final answer will be 25 upon 28. Okay, we cannot simplify it more because the 25 cannot come in a table of either 2 or 4. Okay, so this is how we can simplify this part, or as I have written all the conditions here, so you can do one more thing, like multiply the probability of boy and boy, then write positive sign, then multiply the probability of boy and girl, then again plus sign, then multiply the probability of girl and boy. Okay, and when you simplify this, you will get the same answer, 25 upon 28. Or only one condition is left in the tree diagram. So if you find that condition like girl and subtract it from 1, because the total probability is always equal to 1. So if we subtract the probability of girl and girl, we will get all the remaining probabilities. So it's 1 minus probability of girl and girl. And when we simplified it, we have got the answer 25 upon 28. So the final answer of this part is 25 upon 28. Here we have a lot of space, so you can write all these probabilities and simplified it, or you can do 1 minus probability of girl and girl. In both cases, you will get the same answer and both methods are correct. I hope you have understood this question. Thank you.